only 3.5 million Bitcoin, or 19% of total circulating supply, is actively traded throughout the world. The rest is held long-term by investors, according to a new report by crypto analytics company Chainalysis. Per the report, nearly 18.6 million Bitcoin has been mined as of June 2020. Of this, around 60% of Bitcoin is held by entities, either people or business, that have never sold more than 25% of the Bitcoin they have ever received. Another 20% of the existing Bitcoin supply has not moved from its current set of addresses in the last 5 years or longer. These are what we call Bitcoin lifers. The remainder, 3.5 million of all mined Bitcoin, is used for trading, primarily between a lot of the exchanges. If you're confused about the numbers, let me put it in some kind of simpler terms. The majority of Bitcoin is held by those who treat it as a digital gold, an asset to be held long term, and they have been profiting big time. Chainalysis found that throughout 2020, a total of 340,000 people are actively trading Bitcoin every week. There are two types of traders, retail and professional. Retail traders are those who deposit less than $10,000 worth of Bitcoin on exchanges at a time. However, they account for 96% of all transactions per week. Professional traders make up only 4% of active traders, but they can control market liquidity. They account for 85% of all the US dollar value of Bitcoin sent to exchanges. What does it mean for you? There's a lot of room for you, and you have a lot of time. There are only 4% active traders, and they basically control the crypto market. And only 4% are hoarding all the gains. You can get in the game. It's not too late. And these statistics show there's a lot of great opportunities in the crypto market. Imagine if you get in now, in several years when central banks start using cryptocurrency, blockchain starts dominating the market, your gains could be astronomical. Get in there and take your piece of the pie. If you want to learn how you can put cryptocurrencies in your IRA, check out our website at noblebitcoin.com. Get the free guides, and I think you're going to learn a lot about how we are able to help people really grow their portfolios with some of these incredible digital currencies.